Welcome to 11 Isabella Street, number 1.
This unit is part of a 4-unit redevelopment done in 2020.
This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom is located in the heart of the city in Boston's smallest neighborhood called Bay Village.
Spanning 2190 square feet, this parlor duplex has a second entry direct to your private patio and continuing on to a rental parking space.
This chef's kitchen located on the lower level has a large center island and integrated thermodor appliances. This primary suite is perfectly laid out with a walk-in closet and spa-like bathroom.
Currently, this 4-unit building is entirely owner-occupied.